very happy to be here at MMU today to see so many students from the Faculty of Management. So I wish them the very best in their endeavors as a student. More importantly, when they go into the workforce later, just remember the advice and stories that I've told them today, and I hope they can get the benefit from that. Thank you.
Hello everyone, thank you for having Maybank here in MMU, and it's our delighted honor to be here in front of a lot of students. We have been receiving a lot of questions pertaining whether Maybank have any intakes for internships and employment for MMU students. The answer is yes, we do have intakes for internships and employment for MMU students coming from various of disciplines or programs as well. We don't really look at whether you're from a cybersecurity team or whether we're from programs other than technology. We welcome all sorts of programs to be part of Maybank teams as well. All right, and thank you once again MMU for having us here today on Maybank Day.